The Burlington, West Burlington Area United Way has a common meaning to many people from within our community. It is a very essential volunteer organization that provides funding support for local human service programs which are greatly benefiting the residents of our area. This funding support is being provided to 18 local agencies, and these nonprofit human service agencies were able to assist just over 50,000 people in a 40-mile radius service area last year. 1 out of every 2 of our local citizens used a United Way funded agency in some manner in the 2005 year, and it should be noted that the number of people being served continues to increase. The more than 350 local United Way volunteers, along with all the contributors, send a strong message of hope to people who need assistance. They are doing this through their genuine willingness to provide services for individuals who need them by being involved in the annual United Way campaign. The calculated results of the annual United Way campaigns in our community are truly immeasurable, mainly because of the far-reaching impact it has on so many individuals' lives. Each of us can personally relate to an experience in which someone we cared about was helped with community support dollars. Please join us now for a few minutes, and you will be able to hear more about important and needed programs being provided through the local funded agencies with United Way dollar support.
Alcohol and Drug Dependency Services provides 4 primary services. Outpatient substance abuse counseling is provided from our Burlington office here, as well as residential substance abuse counseling. Substance abuse prevention programming, one of the services that's funded by your contribution to the United Way, is also provided from our office here in Burlington, as is problem gambling counseling services, one of our newer programs.
Jump Rope for Heart is very important for the school district in Burlington. All the schools participate in Jump Rope for Heart or Hoops for Heart.
Well, I really do believe in the program because heart disease is one of the major problems we have in America right now, and we try to teach our student population the importance of exercise to develop a strong heart and healthy lungs and good eating habits and balanced diet, and all those things are very important for these kids to learn.
Jump rope to help for heart disease. Because people are dying from heart disease, because it's good for people's hearts so they won't die.
Community Action's medication assistance programs help people who have chronic health conditions obtain their medication for free or at very low cost from the pharmaceutical companies.
The United Way funds help pay a portion of the cost of a part-time coordinator who completes the paperwork required by the pharmaceutical companies. Community Action has helped well over 1,000 individuals save over $2 million in prescription costs.
What you're witnessing right now is an actual Crime Stopper payoff, money that you contribute through the Burlington Area United Way. A high percentage of that money goes directly for payoffs with the Crime Stopper program, and you're now seeing an actual payoff, how it's actually done. It is generally done in a public place, and the individual writes the number down on the caller number, and then after that the actual payoff is made.
If they're in need, that's why we're here, to help them out. And we serve, well, the last 5 months, it's been averaging 4 to 420 families a month. We also get food from a tumbler from the food bank, and that's really our main source. Every 2 weeks we get a truck, probably 4,000 pounds.
Girl Scouts of Shining Trail Council's Camp Elkita Camp is located outside Danville. Each year we serve approximately 700 girls, and thanks to United Way funds, we are able to keep those fees for all these girls very affordable.
I keep wanting to come back because they have good counselors and they have really fun programs. Because it's you get to learn new things every time you come back if you go to different things.
Grade A Plus is the organizing force behind Red Ribbon Week. Grade A Plus also sponsors drug-free, healthy atmosphere activities for families, such as the Teddy Bear Picnic, Rockin' Safe Eve, which is held on New Year's Eve, and the Community Fall Fest. All of these events are designed to be fun activities for families to come out and enjoy each other in a healthy environment.
We have around 60 people right now in supported employment. We have people working in production, in food service, in janitorial, in all different kinds of jobs. People that we work with in supported employment get a job coach, and that job coach helps to maintain that person's job level to the employer standards.
United Way funding helps us provide quality home care and services to individuals so they can remain independent in their own home.
But I was in the hospital and then had to come home, and my doctor advised that I get someone to help me. She cleans my kitchen floor and the bathroom and then vacuums my living room and my kitchen. She does a very good job, and I'm happy to have her.
Once a month, an attorney from Iowa Legal Aid comes to the Des Moines County Courthouse in Burlington, and we do what we call our outreach clinic. And that means that the attorney sits here in the courthouse, and anyone who needs legal advice can come on in and do an application, and if they qualify, then we try to help them right there on the spot with advice or copies of our publications.
The Boy Scout Experience is a leadership development program for youth. In the greater Burlington, West Burlington area, Scouting serves almost 1,500 youth in 3 different program levels. The Cub Scout program serves boys in elementary school. The Boy Scout program serves boys in middle school. Venturing and exploring programs serve high school and college-age youth. Most youth meet in a church or a school, but they get to practice what they learn at Camp Eastman.
Partners has helped us out in a lot of different ways, everything from medication to monthly bus passes. We feel very blessed that the United Way helps them out.
Partners has been like a miracle to us. I had no idea that there was anyone in town that could help us with bus passes. This is my June bus pass.
The Red Cross here in our community endeavors to keep our families informed about what they need to do to be prepared for any emergency, whether it be storms, fires, or floods. We need to have an emergency plan in place. We also provide disaster services, service to the military, youth programs, CPR, first aid, and water safety programs.
The Burlington Salvation Army, we do social services that include a daily meals program. Last year we did over 15,000 meals. We also operate a food pantry and clothing assistance and household assistance. We are embarking on expanding our youth programs.
We are a nonprofit organization, and we dance all around the Midwest. Yeah, we enjoy it a lot. It keeps the kids off the streets and out of drugs and trouble and stuff. My favorite part would have to be the team because, we're always there for each other.
Performing because I like to dance and stuff.
And they do well when they go out to events, and I'm proud of all of them.
My name is Gloria Rushmeyer, and I'm here to put a plug in for visiting nurses. They've been a great help to me in my life. As time went on, then my dad got worse and worse. He became bedridden, and I guess the main thing they helped me with was the peace of mind that whenever we did have a problem, they always resolved it.
The Burlington Area Community YMCA/YWCA provides a variety of programs and services for youth, including childcare for infants, toddlers, before and after school programs, summer day camp, league sports, gymnastics, dance, swimming, and youth social programs. United Way funding helps us provide memberships to low-income youth who would not otherwise be able to have a Y membership.
Thanks to your United Way support, Young House Family Services has been able to provide counseling services for many children and families in our local communities. Last year, we provided counseling services to more than 300 families. Young House Family Services counselors also provide guidance and support to troubled youth in the Burlington and West Burlington school districts. This program is also funded with your United Way dollars.
This year's annual United Way goal is $700,007. The result of a successful annual United Way campaign in our community is very evident. The personal lives of people we care about are better. Many of you have been a part of this community-wide effort for countless years, and our community and our residents are indebted to each of you. Thank you for providing your personal help and your financial support. There may be others who would like to be a part of this annual effort, and we truly hope that you can join us. Please feel welcome to call the United Way office. Your involvement would be greatly appreciated. United Way volunteers and contributors are looking forward to making this the 34th consecutive successful annual United Way campaign. And there is a strong commitment by many of our local companies and individuals to continue this important community-wide effort, because we feel confident that our efforts are making a difference and strengthening our community and improving lives through the United Way.